Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on a friend's story notifications on Snapchat in just a few quick steps so you never miss their updates again. If you've ever noticed that a friend is posting stories, but you're not getting alerted, this simple setting can fix that in seconds. Let's walk through it together and make sure everything is turned on the right way. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Then tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Next, tap My Friends to open your friends list. Once you see the person you want, find their name and press and hold on it until a menu appears. From there, tap Story Settings. This is where Snapchat lets you control how you get updates from that specific friend. Now look for the Story Notifications option and switch it on. Once you do that, Snapchat will start alerting you whenever that friend posts a new story. And that's it. You've now turned on notifications for that